Good morning, morning for judges and everyone who watched this video. I am Farza Zubaira. As the Prime Minister of the government team would gladly to accept the motion. But let me explain what tax manufacturing is. It was a tax that given to manufactured company, and if the tax getting heavy, it means the company become more successful, and even it can affect to our life cost. And on this case, the tax getting heavy because the company decide to automate their workforce, or we could say it robots. If the company is large, the robots that use were not only one or two, but many. Because of that, the tax getting heavy. Based on the law of Prime Minister, company that use automate stuff should be heavily taxed, helps the environment better and other. Perhaps the social thinks that the tax didn't affect their life cost, but actually it is. Like it said before, the more the tax getting heavy, the environment's getting better. And for the second reason is, manufacturing company can reduce jobs. Okay, let me make it clear. Corporate, so as we know, manufacturing company is operated by a lot of robots and machine and other machine stuff. So can you imagine if this manufacturing company, it should be a job for human, but unfortunately it operates by a robot. How sad it is. Let me continue my argument. When human didn't get a job that caused by this manufacturing company, it can cause income per capita, or Indonesia we can say pendapatan per capita is suck. And it's free to say this thing can lead to economy suck. I think it's not okay, ladies and gentlemen. So based on my explanation before, the government thinks twice and try to solve their problems. With what? Of course, with increased tax for the manufacturing company. So it can consider a tax from manufacturing company as responsibility of reimbursement for a job. The government itself wants to make economy in this nation can use a tax from manufacturing company to unlock a lot of new jobs for everyone and can welfare as citizen. And the last reason, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at the shoes manufacturer company that already operate for a long age. In this long time, that company became one of the life source for 1,000 billion workers. But to build an ecosystem economy, the worker gives money for their family, shop in local market, and send their children to school. That company became one of the important pillars for economy built in that area. But for pursuing efficiency and global competitiveness, this company decided to do a massive automotive. They invest billions of rupiah by a massive robot that create a pack with fast and accurate more than human. The impact more than 70 workers before that include with it getting cut off. That company's success suppressed their operational costs and increased their company. And what happened with the workers that getting fired? They don't have other abilities that can be used. Besides that, company based on Constitution, or we could say UUD nomor 20 tahun 2008 about microwork and UKM, the tax will become more right-way that effective for protect income. Ladies and gentlemen, this motion not teaches robot or human. This motion is making us that what they ought choose didn't to social unbalance and broke economy. This tax is further infestations. It's our way to make sure that technology improvement is not only to make a benefit one or two company, but also create citizens that is more competitive and ready to face an obstacle in 21st century. Ladies and gentlemen, based on my argument and all of my explanation before, I confidently agreed with our motion today that this House would heavily tax manufacturing corporation that automate majority of this workforce. Thank you.